We're gonna be open. We're gonna be putting a new Sousaphone in its case. Fresh case. Let's go, guys. Right?
No, I'm scared. I wouldn't.
Yep. So here's the Sousaphone.
Is this going on the Kiko Bashi?
Yes, 100%. The cameras are rolling. See this.
Can you carry this?
It's so shiny. Let's go. Wait. Remember when we did this? Yes. Oh, it's bringing back memories of doing this before. Wait, I'm gonna get like the extra stuff like valves, and I think there's a mouthpiece in there. Get this out of here. It's so shiny.
We should
Let's leave it in the plastic. Wait,
no.
wait.
We should get the strap. Do we have one?
What do you mean, what strap?
The bottom strap.
Oh no, we don't have any extra. We should just buy them. Actually, we should ask. I haven't been paying attention to how I'm filming this. So it's gonna look so shaky. It's okay. It's shiny. Look at how shiny that is.
Poe, is this a good picture?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture. It's so shiny. Wait, we need to put the bell in first.
Oh yeah. I'm just gonna put this here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it finally arrived.
The final one. Wait, so now if we have five, even if we have 5 people. Even if we have 5
Wait,
people.
this like a cardboard too, bro.
Boom. Look at how shiny the bell is. Wait, let's not touch the front of the bell.
Yeah.
Because it's like, we want to keep it nice and fresh. Shiny it is.
Whoever's a freshman next year, they're technically gonna have like a better horn than we do. 'Cause this is
Oh, that's true.
maybe I should just use it because I'm good.
Yeah.
Very close to the bell.
Oh, it's just... Yo, it's so shiny. And then we have to put it underneath the thing, remember? It's so...
Great job, guys.
Yeah, here
Johnny
you go, Jamin.
It's like on the cup. Oh.
And then we're gonna put it... This is a car. This is a car, right, Jamin? Wow. Let's see. Are they nice and... Oh, they're actually like so sticky. Okay. Yeah, these need oil, bruh.
Or no, they go political science.
Bro, why'd they put like duct tape?
All the trash together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Outside all the materials that are additional.
Should be a mouthpiece in there, some bits. Look at how shiny it is. It's new. Out of the case. Yamaha. No one will use this. It's just gonna sit there. Because we have better mouthpieces.
I think you should just give that to Johnny.
Yeah. Bits and the neck and bits. I remember when we first used these bits, they're kind of weird. Don't do it, Jamin. Don't do it. Okay.
And then
Oh, the valve oil. Actually,
that looks like
Welcome.
the COVID-19 one. And then
you should
polish
keep the valve oil.
and grease. And receipt, I think.
Yep.
No, it's a pretty good school.
Well, I call
That's it, guys. No, you don't call dibs, bro.